Okay, good morning, good people, happy people, and believers anywhere. Welcome back to my channel Ransom. Currently, my title is based on Ali ibn Abi Talib quotes. Yeah, he said that in this world, a man is target of death and is the prey to calamities. Here, every morsel and every drought is liable to choke one. Here one never receives a favor until he loses another instead. Here every additional day in one's life is a day reduced from the total span of his existence. When the death is natural outcome of life, how can we expect immortality based on Ali ibn Abi Talib quotes? So guys, the competitor is from a quote above the fragile nature of human existence inside from Ali ibn Abi Talib's PlayStation with me, so you'll get inspired and motivated facing life adversities. By the way, in the tumultuous journey of life, humanity is constantly reminded of its fragility and vulnerability, so each day presents new challenges and unforeseen dangers, underscoring the transient nature of our existence. And this notion is profoundly captured in the wisdom of Ali ibn Abi Talib's revered figure in Islamic history, who eloquently articulated the inevitable interplay between life and death, and his reflections over timeless insights into human conditions are urging us to embrace the impermanence of life with humility and wisdom. So, what is the meaning of the human conditions? A prey to calamities? Yeah. Based on Ali ibn Abi Talib poignantly observes that in this world, a man is a target of death and is a prey to calamities. This statement encapsulates the inherent uncertainty and precariousness of human life. From the moment of birth, individuals are subject to the unpredictable forces of nature's health and fate. Calamities, whether natural disasters, illnesses, or personal misfortunes, can strike without warning, disrupting the delicate balance of existence. This recognition of life's inherent instability compels us to acknowledge our limitations and vulnerabilities. So, what is the perils of everyday life, guys? I do know. Based on Ali ibn Talib, further illustrated the fragility of life by stating, here every morsel and every drought is liable to choke one. This may therefore highlight the everyday perils that accompany even the most modern activities, and eating and drinking essential for survival can paradoxically become sources of danger. And this perspective serves a reminder that life's basic necessities are not granted, and each commandment is delicate dance between sustenance and risk. Such reflections encourage mindfulness and gratitude for the simple acts of daily life. So, what is the paradox of gain and loss? In the same vein, Ali ibn Abi Talib noted, here I never receives a favor until he loses another instead. This observation underscores the paradoxical nature of human experience, where gains are often accompanied by losses. Every achievement, success, or blessings comes at the expense of something else. This duality of gain and loss is an intrinsic part of the human journey. Reminding us that the pursuit of material and temporal rewards is inherently fleeting. Understanding this paradox encourages a more balanced perspective on life's highs and lows. So, what about the meaning of passage of time, guys? Another profound insight from Ali ibn Abi Talib is a recognition that every additional day is one's life is a day reduced from the total span of his existence. So these reflections on the passage of time serve a poignant reminder of life's finite nature. Each day lived brings us closer to the end of our earthly journey, and this awareness can inspire a sense of urgency to live meaningfully and purposefully, cherishing each moment and making the most of our limited time. So what about the meaning of inevitability of death? Central to Ali ibn Abi Talib's wisdom is the understanding that death is the natural outcome of life. So this assertion confronts the universal reality that death is an inevitable part of the human experience. Despite humanity's advancement and aspirations, immortality remains an unattainable dream, and this substance of death's inevitability can foster a deeper appreciation for life and motivate us to focus on what truly matters. And it calls us to cultivate virtues, build lasting relationship, and leave a positive legacy. So let's embrace impermanence. Why? Because Ali ibn Abi Talib's reflections ultimately invite us to embrace the impermanence of life rather than seeking immortality or clinging to illusions of permanence. We are encouraged to live with mindfulness and humility. The transient nature of existence can be a source of liberation, freeing us from the anxieties and attachment that often dominate our lives, and by acknowledging our mortality, we can prioritize what's truly valuable and meaningful. Finally, Ali ibn Abi Talib give us a legacy of wisdom. The wisdom of Ali ibn Abi Talib offers profound insight into the human condition, reminding us of our vulnerabilities, the paradoxes of life, and the inevitability of death. And his reflection encourage us to live with mindfulness, gratitude, and a deep appreciation for the fleeting nature of existence. And in a world where every moment is both a gift and challenge, embracing the impermanence of life can lead to a more fulfilled and meaningful journey. So through his teachings, we are reminded that the true mission of life lies not in its duration, but in the depth of its purpose and the legacy of wisdom it leaves behind. So, smart people, happy people, and believers in word, help you aware about the quote above and remind us always applicate in your hearts that nothing is eternal in this life, so you have to prepare yourself for the eternity in the outside the world. Okay, it's called the hereafter. So please share this content anyone to save the people about the awareness of the next world in the earth. So thanks for your attention and subscribing. Have a nice life as an afterlife based on Islamic teaching. See you again. Bye bye.